Hey y'all, I've got another missed EAS. Yep, it's the required weekly test.
Was variable at 5 miles an hour. The 1 inches and falling. Around the region, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 79 at Goshen, 79 at Warsaw, 76 at Benton Harbor. For Indiana, Ohio, lower Michigan, and northeast Illinois. High pressure will dominate the region today into Thursday with mostly sunny days and mostly clear nights. Afternoon highs today will range from the lower 70s across northern lower Michigan to the lower 80s along the Ohio River. Lows tonight will be in the 50s.
Hang on, I'll be right back.
Today, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Northwest wind around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour, shifting to the southeast after midnight. Thursday, increasing clouds. Highs in the lower 80s. South wind around 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. South wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday, hot and humid. Mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. South wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Heat index readings 96 to 101. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Saturday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. Sunday night and Independence Day, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. Highs in the lower 80s. Monday night and Tuesday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Highs around 80.
This is NOAA weather radio station WXJ57 in South Bend and WWG45 in North Webster. Visit our website viaweather.gov/IWX. The current time is 3:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Hey guys, I'm back.
3 p.m. Eastern
So there
Daylight
you
Time
go.
weather conditions
There's the
at South Bend. Skies